Welcome to Nagaland TV Sob Malnagawas. Mahan generation ide Christmas celebrate kore few days eklo huina se aro alak churches khan noli community khan tan pre Christmas celebration noli advent Christmas celebrate kore se iniga homoide aji Berista Celebration Center Welfare Day interfaith pre Christmas celebration kore se aro idu Christian Forum Dimapur organize krise aro alak community alak jatiwa ahina tan idu celebration de hissa lowole se to itlo opore details sai sawi aro itu program de Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Dr. Tino Jongshi Chanwa special guest ase.
It's a privilege for me to stand before you on this auspicious day of Interfaith Advent Christmas and Thanksgiving and Installation Program organized by Christian Forum Dimapur. I bring greetings to all of you here on my own personal behalf, on behalf of my family, and also on behalf of the people of Dimapur district. I would like to thank the Christian Forum for the valuable services that you have rendered during the last 25 years, and also like to congratulate the Christian Forum Dimapur for achieving these milestones, that is the celebration of 25 years, that is Silver Jubilee, a few months back. As we sit here together, I'd like to share a few thoughts on the purpose of celebrating Christmas. We all know Jesus was sent to this world as a Messiah for peace, and we all know and we long for peace today. It is very fortunate, and I'm very grateful that today Christian Forum has organized this Interfaith Advent Christmas. And also like to thank the other faith for coming together to celebrate together this Advent Christmas. This means a lot to all of us. That means we care for each other. That means we all long for work together. I think that is the main intention of each and every one of us. As Christians celebrate Christmas, we all know, like Jesus, like I said, came with peace, to bring peace to this world. And I would just study in my mind, maybe I may be wrong, but we all, even though we are from different faith, we all believe that after life, there is a place called heaven. I think other denominations or other faith also, they believe in this. So sometimes I think like the work we do here, the good work, the humanitarian work that we do here, I think that is the achievement, or that is the prize that we'll get after our life, that is to heaven. I would say, if we live together as today in peace and in unity, I think this is same as that we are living in heaven. I think that is the only thing we want in this earth also. Today, I would say like we are living in a very competitive world. I would just share my few thoughts. Like after me coming here, it has been 1 year, 2 months, like me joining as TC. I have interacted with different faith-based organizations, and also different unions, and also from different tribes. Everyone longs for peace in Dimapur. I always call Dimapur is a mini Nagaland. So if we have this kind of unity and to live in peace and harmony, I think we can show a good example to and spread to other districts of Nagaland and also to other states and also to the world like our former speaker, they have said. Today, I would say, like we know we are in peaceful state, but inside, or maybe we have lots of work to do. There are corruptions, and there are incident. There are, as a faith-based organization, I think we have to work more, and we'll also have to strive more so that we make Dimapur more livable, and also we have to bring peace, peaceful coexisting to all the communities. That is how I function as an administrator. I know, like, it is not only in church or in temples or in mosques that we pray or we worship the God. But I think in the deep of my heart, I know, like, if we work for the welfare of the people, and if we can look at to the needy people, I think that is also the work which I think God will bless all of us. Today, like I've been in this service for almost 22 years, where I'm fortunate to work for the last 21 years in the fields with the peoples. And I know that if we can come down to the level of the people, to the villages, like especially in outposts, they understand what we say. And if they understand what we are teaching and what we are advising, I think it really gives peace of mind to all of us. Today, in Dimapur also, we need all these things. And we here also, like I said, I deal with every individual, even if he's from the poor family or even he's from the rich family. I entertain everyone. I think many people will have experience with me, even in office, even at my home. If they call me up that I want to meet you, I never say no. So that way I come to understand the mindset of the people, though they are like maybe from different background, and that is how I also get peace of mind. And if I could do something for them, I think it gives peace of mind, and also I think I know that God will also bless me. So that is the thing, words which I wanted to share with you. And I know today we are gathered here so that through this gathering, I think something may come up, and also in days to come, in years to come, we'll all work together and make Dimapur a peaceful and better place to live in.
Being a Hindu, obviously I love this festival. Yeah, this is the time where we celebrate this beautiful festival where Jesus Christ, we all know, take birth this time, 25th December, but we are celebrating, it's a pre-Christmas celebration. And it looks so beautiful under one umbrella, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainism, Buddhism. Everyone is here. We are here to spread love. I believe above every religion, there is love, peace and harmony. Humanism matters, what I believe. And I always love, like, anywhere, like in any religion, to be a part of it. I love Christmas all the time. I do celebrate, and I got this privilege this year also to be a part of it. When I heard this, I got this invitation, I couldn't miss it, because last year I had a good time. So this year also I don't want to miss it. So I want to say that whether Christian, Hindu, whatever it is, please do celebrate Christmas nicely. Spread love. This is time for giving, sharing love, kindness around the world. So thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a great time.
And I, as a Muslim, we also believe in the existence of Jesus Christ. We call him Isa, one of the prophets. Our Holy Quran have a full verse in the name of Prophet Isa's mother, Maryam. So there are a lot of similarities between the Muslims and the Christians, which we are still exploring. And as we have our existence in Nagaland, a Christian-dominated state, we are so much delighted there is no issue of communal violence here. Elsewhere in India, We hear every day about Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Hindus and all. But one thing is not there in Nagaland, and this is we are staying with harmony. This celebration of Advent Christmas is a proof that we live in harmony in Nagaland. Let's all join together to show the world that we are united in Nagaland. I may be a Muslim, or my friend sitting there may be a Hindu, or DC may be a Christian, but we live in harmony. That is the most important message we want to give to the world. We might have other issues in Nagaland, negative, positive issues, but this issue is non-negotiable. Harmony is not negotiable. So, it is our duty. Most of the church leaders are here. You are commanding a position in the church where you can influence the others. I have brought with me the pastors, the Maulanas we call. We have a masjid in Haji Park, which is 118 years old. And we have here the head priest of that mosque. I have brought him to show him that this is harmony, where we live in peace. He is an outsider to Nagaland. He is not born and brought up in Nagaland. There are no Muslim theological colleges or madrasas, higher madrasas in here. We born and brought up in Nagaland are almost half Christians. So they are the people who are teaching us even our religion. And many students from theological colleges, they visit our mosque also. They wanted to see how the Muslims pray. So, why I am saying all these things? We want to show all that we may be from different faiths. Reverend Vitoshe is almost like a brother. Reverend Moses, we are waiting for his call every year when Christmas comes. And Father Anto is the man of peace. Actually, I would like to be very frank that Father Anto, I call him man of peace because he is the one, through Peace Channel, he has united all faiths first. So, truth should be spoken. It should not be in the heart, it should come out. Father Anto is a man who has brought peace to this region. So, we would like to pray to Almighty that this unity of different faiths, this Christian forum, and different leaders of the different communities, very frank. Most of them born and brought up here, they understand the way, the life of the Naga people, the way of celebration of the Christian people, and that's why we are united here. So, we will all pray. We call it dua, you call it prayers. I'll ask my pastors, Maulanas, to pray for the unity of all faiths, and may this Christian forum live long. I would like to tell Mr. Sangtam, the wine hasn't changed, only the bottle has changed. So we will all be united under you in future days to come, and we all will make a better Nagaland. Thank you.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.